Hi friends, how are you? Today I will show how to cook seafood salad. Not forget give me a like, subscribe me. 大家好，今天给你做海鲜沙拉，请点赞订阅我。Crab, squid, scallop, shrimp. 螃蟹、鱿鱼、鲜贝和虾。We will use squid liver, cook the sauce. 我们用鱿鱼干做酱汁。Lowest level cook a minute. 低火加热1分钟。Add salt 3 grams, black pepper 2 grams, mix them. 加入3克盐，2克黑胡椒，混合在一起。Boil the shrimps in water a minute. 在水里煮虾2分钟。Peel off the shell of the shrimps. 剥掉虾壳。Cut a line on shrimps on bottom. 在虾肚子上切一刀。Cut short lines on back. 在虾背上切几个小口。Green long onions. 绿色小葱。Cut it into shreds. 剪成细丝。Scissors is very helpful. 剪刀非常方便。We use fresh squid. It is very healthy food. 我们选用新鲜的鱿鱼了，它是非常健康的食物。Cook the washed squid 30 seconds in boiling water. Not cook it too long. Keep the meat tender. Shred the squid 1 cm width. 把鱿鱼剪成1厘米宽的条。Peel off the thin skins on both sides. 剥掉鱿鱼两面的薄皮。The squid will be very soft, tender, without the skins. 去掉皮的鱿鱼非常软嫩。This is Chef Lion's secret skill. 这是狮子大厨的秘籍哦。Now we prepare the scallop. 现在我们准备扇贝。The gill of scallop. It is inedible. 扇贝的鳃是不能吃的。We move it off. 我们去掉它。Cooking is adult's game. It is interesting. 烹饪是成人的游戏，它很有意思。Our mom always cook fresh food for us. She does not like feed us tin food. 妈妈总是为我们做新鲜的食物，她不喜欢给我们吃罐头食品。Take out crab meat. 取出螃蟹肉。Cut the crab legs by scissors. 用剪刀剪开蟹腿。Add rice wine or sherry 30 ml. 加入米酒或雪莉酒30毫升。Coriander brings you fresh flavor. 香菜带给你清新的口感。Young garlic, cute 嫩蒜，很可爱。Green shallot 绿色的小葱。Squeeze lemon juice 挤上柠檬汁。Well done. Beautiful 做好了，真漂亮啊。Enjoy the happy time with your family, friends 和您家人朋友起共享快乐时光吧。Dip shrimp in sauce 把虾蘸点酱汁。Delicious 鲜美。Try the squid 尝尝鱿鱼。It's so soft and tender 非常软嫩。The squid liver sauce is special. You should try it. 鱿鱼干酱汁很独特，您一定要试一下。The crab meat is many people's favorite. 蟹肉是很多人喜欢的。The rice wine or sherry make the crab taste more sweet. 米酒或雪莉酒让蟹肉更突出甜美。My tiger Danny loves scallop. 我的丹尼老虎喜欢吃扇贝。I miss him very much. 我很想念他。Eating scallop can bring a peaceful, delighted feeling. 扇贝可以带来一种愉悦的心情。We can eat the salad without the sauce. Either 我们吃沙拉时也可以不蘸酱，哈哈吼 Shrimp is dancing 哈哈哈，大虾在跳舞呢。Do you like my video? 你喜欢我的视频吗？ Give me a like, subscribe my channel, please. You will help me lot. Thank you. 请点赞，订阅我，感谢您的帮助。